Today we are gonna fix an error occurred while starting Roblox. Before moving on to the solutions, don't forget to leave a like. Our first solution has 3 steps. Our first step is delete Roblox's cache files. To do this, we press the Windows and R key. We type %localhost data in the search bar. Then click on OK. We find the temp folder. Inside the temp folder, we find the Roblox folder and then delete it. Don't worry, deleting this folder will not affect the game settings. For the second step, we open our browser. Then click the 3 dots in the upper right and click Settings. We click on Privacy and Security. Click on Cookies and Other Site Data. We scroll down. Then click on See All Site Data and Permissions. We type Roblox in the search bar. And here, we're deleting everything related to Roblox. After doing this, we will only need to log into our account again. Our data not deleted. For our last step, we right click on Roblox player. After that, click on Properties. Then click on Compatibility. Here, we tick Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an admin. We click on Apply and OK. After doing this, we reset our computer for the settings we have made to work. This was our first solution. If this solution worked, don't forget to like the video and mention it in the comments. If it didn't work, we will move on to the second solution. Our second solution is to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. We need a small program to remove Roblox with its data. I will put the link of the program in the description section of the video. After opening the site, we click on Zip. After downloading, another file will appear. We open the zip file and click on geek.x. We don't need any setup. After the geek is open, we find Roblox. After finding, right click and click on Install. We are waiting for the process to finish. We click Finish to complete uninstallation process. We removed Roblox. Now, all we have to do is enter the game and reinstall the Roblox player. After doing this, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our third solution. Our third solution is reset our internet with CMD. I will put these comments in the description of the video. To do this, we type CMD in the search bar. Then right-click CMD and click on Run as an admin. We paste our first code in CMD. After pasting, we press Enter. Then we paste the second code. We press Enter. And we paste our last code. Click Enter to run code. As you can see, the commands run successfully. You can close the program by typing Exit or clicking the cross. These commands will not cause any problem to your computer or game. This was our third solution. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to our fourth solution. Our fourth solution is to change our DNS address. Since this error is caused by the internet, changing the DNS address might work. We come to the search section and type Control Panel. Then click on Network and Internet. After that, click on Network and Sharing Center. We click on our network. After doing this, click on Properties. Then double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Then we tick Use the following DNS server addresses. Here, we set preferred DNS server to 8888 and alternate DNS server to 8844. The DNS server we use is owned by Google, so it is safe to use and works without any problem. After doing this, we click on OK and close the windows. We change our DNS server. Now we can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions solved your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.